Every day in Africa, millions of people are walking around with expensive smartphones and buying daily internet data. But guess what? Most of that time is spent on scrolling, chatting, going on live, posting for free. What if I told you that the same phone you're using right now could actually become your personal ATM machine, earning your own money every single damn day through YouTube? Stay with me, guys, because today I'm going to show you the 3 easiest ways you can start making money online with YouTube right here in Africa and beyond. And trust me, if you don't need a big capital here, you just need consistency, you need your idea, and you need a smartphone and internet connection. You see, while some people complain about data costs, others are using the same data to upload videos that bring in thousands of dollars. The only difference is here. They know the 3 simple ways to monetize YouTube, and I'm not to share them there. I'm not all that greedy not to tell you something about it. I've come today to educate you, to pinch you and tell you, come on, can you start now using your smartphone with YouTube? Good morning, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This is a video that should open up your eyes and ears. If you know you're still holding that phone and you're not earning monthly salary out of that phone, please be with me. And can I shock you? Don't look at Christine and say, this is a financial consultant. No, this is a disclaimer now. Christine is just giving you educational video, or you can call it entertainment video. But other things, just go, whatever we're going to discuss in this video, pick them, go and research on them. If you see they are fit for you, go and make money out of them. To my engagers, I love you so much. And to you subscribers who just came, please, this is the right place for you. Get entertained, get educated, research, learn a lot of things. Let's dive in. The first one is YouTube ad revenue, what we call monetization program. The first and easiest way is YouTube partner program, whereby you earn money when ads run on your videos. I know most of you have been saying when you're watching a video, you're growing on the screen, an advert comes and interrupts you. That's where money comes from. Imagine this is your funny skit. Cooking tutorial or motivation talk could be generating ad income while you sleep. You don't need to be there looking at them. Yours, you need to just upload, film, upload, and wait for money. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, that is the threshold, and 4,000 watch hours, whereby now they have even reduced it to 5,000 and 3,000. You'll be knowing that update come this September 5th. Many African creators have already known about it, and they have already started earning out, cashing out, while in Kampala, they are seated without knowing that this can be done. Now, in Uganda itself, Kenya, Tanzania, Lagos, we have individuals who are consistently made a living, and they have even gone to the extent of getting mansions using this method of YouTube ad revenue. So please dive in. What you need is simple: to get your idea, to get your niche and start. And if you want also to get the best niche, please check our previous video about the 20 best niches that pays you highly on YouTube. And what you need to do about this pro tip, please be consistent. Take it as your job every day, not even as a job, as a business. Because if you take it as a business, it will give you passive income. The second easiest way is affiliate marketing through YouTube. The second way is through affiliate marketing. You don't even need to create a product. You just promote people's products like smartphones, clothing, or apps, and share your affiliate link in the description. Each time someone buys through this link, you earn a commission. For example, tech YouTubers in Africa are reviewing phones, and they're making a lot of money from the sales daily. Because if you review the iPhone, like now, you know iPhone 17 is coming, please, can you start reviewing the advantage, the benefits of iPhone 16, then 17? There, put what you're using in a description by using a link. you'll get enough money. If you want to know more about this affiliate marketing and the sites for you to be an affiliate marketer, please put it in the comment section. The third and the last easiest way is sponsored content and brand deals. Now, the third way is this. Companies are searching for local creators with engaged audiences. Even if you don't have millions of subscribers, a small but loyal following can attract businesses who will pay you to showcase their products or services. Imagine being paid just to review a restaurant, an app, or even showcase a fashion on your channel. Most people have come to me, they have approached me, they have done work, but I don't think, for me, it's not it. I don't need that because I need something passive. So you can go for it, and most Africans have benefited from this. You can make it you can make it a sample survey. Get one hotel, get one restaurant, review it. Others will see how you've reviewed it and they'll give you brands. Now, have I told you? I've really told you, if you have a smartphone and you're in Africa, you need to jump at least out of these three easy methods. You can use one, like what I'm using. So instead of just spending your daily data on endless scrolling, why not invest that same time into building your own YouTube channel? The truth is, YouTube is one of the fastest ways to make money online in Africa if you're consistent. And this is a disclaimer. Don't come on YouTube immediately put one video, you expect to get money. You need to be consistent, you need to be focused, and you need to learn. Now, can I ask you something, guys? Which one of these three methods do you think you can start with today? Ads, affiliate marketing, or ads revenue, sponsorship? What do you think? Drop your answer in the comment section and let's grow together. Please, we can do it together. These three of them, all of them need you to grow it. So start today and start growing. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to tell your friends about this, because when you share, that means love. And most people don't always want to share such things. By the way, you've reached up to this extent without even putting a like, without even putting a heart. You've not shared, you've not commented. Why? Let me know. Why can't you comment? Please subscribe and send it to a friend. Bye-bye.